Hello and welcome to my channel. Today we will be looking at how to use a knife sharpener. Here I have two knives and they're both dull and need sharpening. We will use the lemon as a tester. So let's begin. First we will use the dull knife to cut. See, it takes a little effort. That's the one knife. Turn on the other side and we try again. You shouldn't have to make so many rubs for it to actually start going in. So we will sharpen the knife. Let's begin. First we have the sharpener. It's the Aspekt I bought it at Ikea. As you can see, the Ikea logo right there. Now, before we begin, the first thing we'll do is, if you turn it upside down, you see this little lever here. It's what holds this in place. So we just push on the lever, open the top opens, and here is the roller. This is what sharpens the knife. Now for this to work properly and give you a really sharp knife, we need to fill this little reservoir in below with some water. So I will throw a tip of water. It's a bit too full, throw some out. So I add the water in the reservoir and you just click to close. Now we will sharpen the knives. Just put the knife within the space and pull. Give it a few pulls, maybe about 6 or 7 times. We'll do both knives. And then we will test it on the lemon. So after pulling it a few times through, depending on how dull the knife was, you actually should do this at least once a week. You pull it, I did mine about 10 times because I haven't sharpened mine in quite a while. And so now you test it again to see the sharpness. We will try another part of the lemon, and as soon as you pull, it's supposed to cut. There you go, see? As soon as you touch and pull, it just went right through. So that tells you that it's all sharp. And now that we're finished, don't forget to take the water out of. So you do the same thing. You pull the lever at the bottom. Just give the lever at the bottom a little push. It will raise the top up. You take it up and then you empty the water from the reservoir. Empty the water and you can just dry this a bit because you don't want it to get rust. You dry it a bit and then you close it back until the next use. I just wanted to say the reason I bought this was because it was so cheap at Ikea. At first I was like, this wouldn't work. Well, let me give it a try. And I gave it a try and I must say that I give it thumbs up. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and share with your friends. Hope to see you again soon.